Dentsu Company is a media agency. The company is active in 140 countries around the world and is very strong in the sphere of online marketing. Dentsu Company has about 250 employees in the Czech Republic and is constantly growing. I'm the lead project manager, which means I lead primarily projects connected with data within Dentsu Data Services. My goal is to make the progress of all projects as smooth as possible. When we were looking for some insights before Samba, connecting online and offline data to better understanding for the customer, the manual work was very time-consuming. Thanks to Samba and automation, we saved a lot of time. With IKEA company, we have been using Samba Enterprise from the start, since it's a large eShop. We began using Samba because we've known from the beginning of our collaboration with IKEA that this is going to take place and we have to be prepared. Thanks to the predictive mathematical model, we were able to improve the basic metrics and overall performance of the customer's campaign. Samba helped to save our time costs, thanks to the fact that we didn't have to manually check all the business hypotheses. We also raised the number of clicks about 180%, and what's more important, of course, is raising the revenue of 24% in comparison with the control group. We found out that the time savings are significant during our collaboration. We were also surprised that the results were better and better in each step as the predictive algorithm got better and improved. Thanks to Samba, we know that the audiences that were modeled for a particular campaign are able to affect the user more comprehensively than we previously thought. We are in regular contact with support, and the cooperation is perfect because we don't wait days or weeks, but mostly we get our answers in an hour. We will discuss working with Samba with more of our clients, mostly from retail. We will work more with Samba in the future, especially on web personalization.